Computing Career Corps is a program where you'll participate in lessons and activities to learn more about computer science. You'll explore cybersecurity, web development, game design, robotics, programming, data analytics, app development, and 3D printing in one evening a week.
What I learned is that I was really able to just dive into everything and be able to understand it. I was also able to have a lot of fun, especially when we were designing video games.
You'll make friends in a safe and supportive environment as you explore technology. Our caring instructors value what each student brings to the program.
All these kids that have amazing abilities and are very intelligent, being excited to learn and code, it makes me excited for the future.
Well, first of all, the teachers and everybody, they're really nice, really friendly. You don't understand something, they'll go over it, explain it to you.
Students will meet technology professionals who share their career pathway stories and answer your questions. You'll explore careers in computer science, including software engineering, web and app development, cybersecurity, and more.
Does anyone else know what cybersecurity does? Yep.
Stop like hackers from hacking into the system?
Absolutely.
Every student discovers new talents and capabilities that will impact their future, no matter the career they choose.
One thing I learned at CCC was how to program.
The best thing I learned about Computing Career Corps is how to build a video game.
The best thing I learned in Computing Career Corps is how to code an HTML website.
Learn more at techcorps.org/Computing Career Corps or scan the QR code.